a lot of people are looking up is because of a mystery in the sky. Is it a balloon, a UFO? Whatever it is, it sure has a lot of people talking.
Edge this morning after another apparent UFO sighting. It's the second one in 2 weeks. The first sighting was on July 7th, and an airport had to be shut down.
A UFO in China's skies forced Zhoushan Airport to stop operations on July 7th.
We've got 4 different videos, all from various perspectives, but they do not know of anything like this in the Israeli army.
Early yesterday morning, just before dawn, this appeared in the Norwegian sky. A blue light, small at first, growing into a spiral, and then disappearing into what appeared to be a black hole.
White light was spotted in the early morning sky over Sydney, with even skeptical witnesses wondering if it was a UFO.
Let's see, we've had visitors again.
As we descended through 10,000 feet, that object is above us right now.
Yeah, just underneath our radar, picked up the lift. He's moving about a mile a second. He's full out straight ahead of us, just disappeared.
That's what I saw, a real bright white light, sometimes flickered underneath the cloud. An object which is at the same place all the time but appears to be tumbling. Always had it ever since yesterday. It just seems to be tagging along with us. How above you at 10 o'clock high.
Confirm that it's just the one that's actually moving, the other ones are just reflections?
No, there are 3 objects. I don't know if it was a rocket or whatever, but incredibly fast, opposite direction. It was too fast to be an airplane. It could have been a meteorite because it was flying level very quickly. It definitely looked faster than normal aircraft. There's nothing on the radar that obviously that's up in the air.
It's up in the air.
Affirmative, and the length is unbelievable. Like 4 or 3,000 feet above on the left wing, first one looks like a UFO.
We have an unidentified flying object